Welcome to this video on the smartphone Wi-Fi extender, a solution for bridging connection gaps using your pocket device. This is useful for students, teachers, electricians, industrialists, and engineers. We are defining the technology that transforms mobile hardware into network infrastructure. This involves using your smartphone to extend an existing Wi-Fi signal. This works through Wi-Fi sharing, a relay mechanism where the smartphone connects to an existing Wi-Fi signal and rebroadcasts it. This extends coverage without using mobile data plans, acting as a transparent bridge. The benefits are specific to different audiences. Students can extend library Wi-Fi into study corners. Electricians and engineers can bridge signals on factory floors or construction sites for IoT diagnostics. To function as an extender, you need Android 9.0 Plus, dual-band chips for concurrent 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz operations, and a power supply, like a PD charger, to handle the high load. The Android setup involves navigating to Connections or Network and Internet in Settings. Ensure you are connected to the source Wi-Fi. Then, go to Mobile Hotspot and Tethering, enable Wi-Fi sharing or extend Wi-Fi, and configure a unique SSID and password. For iOS, the personal hotspot typically uses cellular data. To share Wi-Fi, use Bluetooth tethering or USB link to a PC or Mac. Alternatively, use the bridge hack. Connect your iPhone to a PC via USB and use the PC's mobile hotspot to share the bridge signal. In performance comparison, a 5 GHz smartphone extension offers up to 65 megabits per second, while 2.4 GHz offers around 30 megabits per second. This is typically lower than a direct extender due to signal processing overhead and antenna limitations. For the optimal sweet spot placement, position the smartphone halfway between the main router and the dead zone. The device must receive at least 2 bars of stable signal to rebroadcast effectively. Understanding signal physics is key. A typical wall causes about a -6 decibel signal drop. Engineers and AI learners modeling networks must understand free space path loss, which can be calculated using the provided formula. For optimization and security, manage heat by avoiding direct sunlight and thick cases. Use WPA3 security to encrypt your signal. Preserve battery health by using bypass charging if your phone supports it while bridging.